Rain. Hi, beautiful. Autumn Rain. Is that your name? And you're 1 year old? And you're in love with Mickey Mouse? Oh, somebody's in love with Mickey Mouse? And we're eating scrambled eggs and bread and orange juice? Yes. And Autumn Rain, Lucy loves you? Does Lucy love you? Yes? Yes? Good girl, yes. Yes, I love you. Lucy loves you. Yes, good girl. Are you a good girl? I know. I like watching you. You're fun. Okay. Okay. Autumn Rain, 1 year old, with a smart young lady. Yeah, you are. You're beautiful. Autumn is beautiful. Autumn Rain is beautiful. Yeah. Smile. Smile.